everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a killer 1969 Ford F100 factory 4x4 short box truck, guys. This truck went through a complete frame-off restoration a little over a year ago. It's got less than 500 miles on it. Just a killer truck, guys. It's got a 6-inch rough country lift kit on it. BF Goodrich All Terrain TAs all the way around it. Those are actually US mag slotted wheels with the factory Ford caps. Killer truck, factory red, red interior, 4-speed. It's got air, original 360. You will not find a nicer truck for the money, guys. Just a killer truck. Buddy of mine's the one that actually built this truck. Like I say, it was done a little over a year ago. There's hardly any miles at all on it. I apologize, when I shipped it back from Tennessee, we had to ship it open and there's still little bugs on it. I don't think that guy missed a bug on the way back, but it was so high, I didn't want to take a chance of damaging it in an open carrier. But killer truck. All the Brightwork, all the chrome is actually brand new. Like I say, my guys are gonna have to work on getting some bugs off there. But killer truck. And it is a factory red truck. I drove this truck up and down the strip a couple of times, guys. I'll tell you what, you want to see something that just drew a ton of attention. Everybody goes nuts for this thing. Slick paint, runs and drives excellent. If I get high enough to show you the top, but glass is nice. Killer truck, man. Again, it is an original short box, factory 4x4. And nice. I mean, you can see how nice the bezels are, all the emblems. Again, 6-inch rough country lift, all new BF Goodriches all the way around it. Truck is just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Fun to drive, guys. Look how nice that thing is underneath. All new exhaust. Ooh, our weather is gone to heck, man. It's cold. Front disc brakes. You can see how nice that thing is underneath. Again, original 360 2-barrel stock intake. Does have a set of headers on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got, I think it's called classic air conditioning unit on it. 4-speed manual trans. You see it's all powder coated inner fenders. Killer truck, man. And again, you look down under there, all your steering components are new. You see all the bolts have been out of this thing. Nice truck. Mirrors are new, door handles are new. There's your original door tag. I got a photo of that for you too. New carpet. I've ordered new Ford mats for it. Stock bench seat. Factory dash showing 36,307 on your odometer. Like I say, less than 500 miles on the restoration. 4-speed truck. If I remember, I think even the AM radio worked in it. Air blows cold. Dual exhaust. It's the stock 350 posi rear gear. Sorry guys, just a little dust. Again, a little dust on the top of that fender. Right, I'll let you shut that. Killer truck, man. And like I say, turn the key, take it right to the car show. Look at the bottom of that thing. Killer truck, man. About the only thing I could say I would do is probably put some foot pegs on it. You know, getting up in it because it is lifted, but that's about it. That would be your choice, you know. Again, I've ordered new red Ford floor mats for it. Dash is nice. Gauges are nice and clean. Again, look how nice all this stuff is. Glass is nice. Just a killer running truck, man. Jordan just kicked your air on. It blows cold. I'm telling you, you'll be hard pressed to find a nicer truck. This is just a killer truck. Brand new. Emblems are all real nice. Fuel gauge works. Temp works. I did check. I think yeah, the parking brake does work because I set it when we put it on the hauler. Truck sounds good. Again, it's cold today, guys. It's condensation. Yeah, it works. Yep, radio works. Blower motor, of course, got AC, so it works. Doors open. Look how nice those doors shut. And make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That son of a gun is pretty right there, man. I wish we had some sunshine on it. Nice truck.